XB-70 Valkyrie at speed Mach 3.1, over 3,300 km per hour. Range, 6,900 km. Altitude, up to 21,000 meters. 6 powerful engines and futuristic design. Built for nuclear strike missions, but cancelled before full production. Senior X-71 Blackbird, of speed Mach 3.3, over 3,500 km per hour. Altitude, 26,000 meters. Range, 5,400 kilometers. Stealth design and titanium body. It was so fast no missile could ever catch it. X-15 and the fastest aircraft ever built. Top speed, Mach 6.7 over 7,200 kilometers per hour. Altitude, above 100 kilometers near space. Rocket-powered engine. This aircraft redefined the limits of human flight.